Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, my car battery died and I have no access to inside of the car, and the only way to get in it is usually with this key fob. But unfortunately, if the battery of my Lexus is dead, the only way to get in is using the key that's in here and open it manually. On the key fob, it says here to push, so you push on one side and you pull the key from here. So this is what it looks like. And now if I try to open the door, it won't open. So using this, you're gonna pull this and insert this key in here like so, and once it's all the way in, you're gonna turn it this way, clockwise. At first I thought it was this way, but it's not, it's that way. So if I do this, it unlocks the door. So now you can get inside the car, charge the battery. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.